Alright folks, so today I got some stuff in that I was waiting for from Gap Arborist Supply. Gap Arborist Supply, of course, is a sponsor of my channel, and they did not give this to me for free, but they do give me a steep discount and things as a brand ambassador, so I'm super stoked on that. This is some stuff that is going to be made or used for some concept designs that I have going on for product prototyping and innovation, as well as just upgrading my climbing gear. So we have this box here, of course, and there we have it. So here is the 4 SRT Solo, right? It's the Chester Solo. I'm really stoked on trying this thing out because I have the 4 SRT Chester harness and I don't really like it that much. So let me get this out of the box. So I'm gonna try this out and see if I like it better. I'm not sure that I will because there's actually no padding on it. The one thing I don't like about these things is there's no padding and they cut into the side of my neck. This is a wider strap though, and it's more flexible. So I might like it better, and if nothing else, it will be easier to take off once I'm done climbing in ascent. So that's good. And I have some hopes for this and for the Chester to try out a few things. So that's one thing, the 4 SRT Chester, or Solo I should say. Let's see, the 4 SRT Solo. And then I got a new basic chest ascender, and I've got ideas for this. So this is the Petzl basic. So this is just the I forgot what they actually call it. They technically just call it the basic, but it's the chest ascender, which there's another name for. This one's just the basic. Man, this thing is light. I didn't realize how light this thing was. So I'm stoked about that. I can't believe I got so much Petzl stuff this go around. I don't dislike Petzl by any means. I just don't usually buy this much Petzl gear at one time. So that of course comes out and it locks back like so. And this is designed to be in vertical orientation for a chest harness, and we will see about that. Oops. So definitely a better camming mechanism and a bit stronger than the CMI, and we will see what happens there. All right.